How to use snippets in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily import different snippets. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left bottom, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now here, you'll be able to find the option called snippets. Simply tap on snippets. Here on the top at the search bar, you'll be able to enter and import different snippets. So here there are different languages that you can import from. So simply select the language that you want to import. So here I'm tapping on one. So this interface will pop up. Here you'll be able to import it easily. Now you can easily use this snippet and start coding and add different snippets into different working format. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.